let's check the kitchen. Ooh la la. Okay, it's nice, it's nice. U-shaped kitchen. Little wine cooler if you like your wine. That's it. Basically, we just tweaked today the doors and everything because already house is ready. All salt is 4 houses actually. So we're just doing tweaking. Ooh, heat pump. Okay, it's not important. Let's check the kitchen. Boom, 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 boom. Appliances, Bosch. Bosch is lovely, great. Value for money. Nice fridge freezer. Lovely jolly. So if you imagine, nice happy family is a nice little house. They will be very, very happy and they can do whatever they want inside this kitchen.